And with that, we're now moving on into something that I found to be super interesting when we practiced that, because now all of you were drawing the same pictogram and you had something that you were copying. Now what we would like to do is actually you will developing your own pictogram. Yeah. And so how do we do that? So I'm going to put ourselves into spotlights again, and I am in spotlight, so I don't need to put myself there. And now Jill, where are you? There you are. Jill is always running away from me. Typically she's not doing that anyway. Okay. Sandra, you're always starting to share your screen. That's perfectly fine if you do it one more time. No worries, it's all good. It's an experiment, right? It's an experiment.
It didn't work in our group, and okay, I'm stopping.
Yeah, there's Shirley, and now I need to find Elena. Elena, where you are, there's Elena. All right, now we're going to put on the document camera again so everything's white. And I'm just going to start with any basic shape and I will stop there. So I'm just going to start, I'm just going to draw a circle, and now Jill's next.
Oh, and so once again, you're going to have to tell me where I am if I'm near you.
Oh no, you're fine. You just draw the circle and then, yeah.
And then I get to add to it.
And you add to it, exactly. So the second part just adds something to it. So what, you know, depending on what icon they may have in mind, starting with a circle. So now Xiaoli is going to add the third part. Only the third part, Xiaoli. But anyway. So, and now Elena is adding the rest of it.
Sweet.
Right? So I may have had something completely different in mind, and then you're going on a journey where everybody adds something to it. Now I'm going to take a screenshot because I would like you to post this to Padlet. I'm going to show you how you can maybe do it a little bit more easy than taking a screenshot. But I would like to see the sequence, right? I would like to see how the different pictograms develop. And now, after that, all of you are going to draw that pictogram. I'm just going to do it very quickly. And do it in a size that maybe it's a little bit smaller because you will have to cut them out afterwards. So we can use this for storytelling, right? So that's the idea. And I'm going to remove the others from the spotlight. But the idea is, again, there we go. So I would like to give you the instructions for random icon creation. So you will start with, you draw the first line, a basic shape of the icon, and now you wait until step 4 is finished. Step 2, you follow step 1 and add the second part to the icon. Now you wait until step 4 is finished. Follow step 1 and 2, add the third part to the icon, wait until the last part is finished. You finish the icon, and ideally you change the order after a while, because if you are part 1 and you only draw, it's an easy job for you, right? So you just draw the first bit. So maybe you iterate a little bit. What I will do, because ideally you're 4 people, so I will break up some of the breakout groups that only have 3 people. Okay, so bear with me. I hope that's okay with you. But with 4 people, it's just a little bit easier also afterwards for the storytelling.